we are going to prepare a delicious and healthy snack, an all-time favorite, the egg salad sandwich. Let's begin by boiling 4 eggs. On the stovetop, boil the eggs in a medium saucepan for about 14 minutes. While the eggs are boiling, prepare a bowl of water with ice cubes and set aside. Once the eggs are done, retrieve the eggs and immediately plunge the eggs in the bowl of ice water. Let the eggs chill for about 5 minutes. This process will make it easy to peel the eggs. Mash the peeled eggs to a fine consistency. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard, and 1 teaspoon sweet relish. 1/4 cup bacon bits. Add a pinch of salt and blend the ingredients well. To prepare the sandwich, we'll be needing 2 slices of toasted bread, butter, mayonnaise, and lettuce leaves. Butter each slice and pat with mayonnaise. Place the lettuce on top of the bread, then place a generous amount of egg salad on top of the lettuce. Place the other slice of toast on top to complete this tasty sandwich. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again here on Jeyn's Corner.